I'm Colonel Matthew Packard, Chief of the Colorado State Patrol. As you are aware, Governor Polis signed a public health order that went into effect March 26th at 6 a.m., directing Coloradoans to stay at home. We have had many questions about traveling on Colorado roadways while this order is in effect. Let me start off by saying this order is in place to save lives, and that's what the Colorado State Patrol strives to do every single day. We care about Coloradoans and know this pandemic is having a major impact on everyone. By obeying the order and staying home, you're helping to save the lives of friends, family, neighbors, and everyone in communities across Colorado. We are asking for voluntary compliance of this public health order and for each person to do their part in flattening the curve of this pandemic. You're still able to travel through Colorado if necessary. We have not closed the borders to the state. We have not set up checkpoints, nor are we stopping vehicles solely to verify reasons for travel. There are legal reasons for you to travel. For example, if you work in a critical business or have otherwise necessary travel. If you need to do things such as pick up groceries, get gas, medication, or go to a medical appointment, you're still able to do so under this order. We just ask that you limit these necessary trips as much as possible. Our troopers will continue to be out serving the public during this time, but we need your help. I've ordered a statewide accident alert for all areas covered by the Colorado State Patrol. If you're involved in a crash in an area we cover, there are no injuries, no drugs or alcohol involved, and everyone has insurance, you're to file an online report. Troopers are still responding to other crashes and calls for service that are not covered under the statewide accident alert. We're doing this to better prioritize our calls and continue to offer the highest level of service we can to the community. We ask that you take the time to read the public health order to understand if you are working in a critical business environment or are conducting necessary travel. Again, your voluntary compliance with this order will assist in saving lives. Troopers have the legal authority to enforce this order as necessary. However, our ultimate goal is to educate the public, not to punish them. Troopers will continue to enforce traffic and criminal violations as necessary to keep the public safe while traveling on the roadways. We are limiting our troopers' exposure through the statewide accident alert, handling some calls over the phone, and through the use of personal protective equipment, or PPE. Colorado is strong, and we know the state will get through this unprecedented pandemic. Please continue to do your part through social distancing and staying home. Help us save lives by voluntarily complying with this order. Thank you.